Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Barad, and today we'll go for our next part of the lesson number 14. That is the algebraic expression part. And last time you are seen about the how to use the different formulas like a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square. And afterward you are seen about how to use the a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b, and afterwards you are seen the practice set number 52. In that one you are seen about the factorizing the algebraic expression, how to do the factorization of the monomial. Today I am taking the next part of this lesson, that is a factorizing the binomial. See, in the binomial they will give the two terms, you know it, when they will be the two terms are there, they are called as a binomials. Then see here, I will give one example. When you are doing the factorization of binomial, that time what to do? When you are doing the factorization of binomial, see in your textbook they are given, we have to identify the factor common to both of the term. See, we have to identify the factor common to both of the term and writing them outside the bracket in the product form. Okay, writing them outside the product in the form you have to write. See here, I will give one example. See here, 4xy plus 8xy square, I want to factorize this binomial. Then here see, in a 4xy and 8xy, 8xy square, I am seeing 4xy is a common. Therefore, I will remove the 4xy as a common from the bracket. Then inside the bracket, what will remain? In the bracket will remain 1 plus 2y will remain. Means if you multiply this 4xy into this bracket, again we'll get this 4xy plus 8xy square. This is called as a factorization of this 4xy plus 8xy square. One more example they are given here. See here, that is a 9a square bc plus 12abc square is there. See here, 9 and 12, in that one you know it, this both number will be coming in 3 table. Therefore, I can take a common as a 3 and inner side of the bracket. See, in the inner side of the bracket, see here, 9 and 12, 3 is a common, and from a square and this a will be common, and from b and b will be common, and from c and c square c is a common. Therefore, I will directly take out as a 3abc as a common from this 9a square bc plus 12abc square. I am taking the 3abc as a common, and inside the bracket what is remaining? That is a 3a plus 4c. Means see, if you multiply this 3abc inside the bracket, 3 3s are 9, a square bc will come, plus 4 3s are 12, ab c square will come. Means again if you multiply this 3abc into this bracket, again we will get our original binomial. Then this is about the factorization of binomial. And sometime in the binomial we have to use this formula also. If it is there in the form of a square b square, that time we have to split that in the form of a plus b and a minus b. And in your textbook they are given some solved example also, you see that one. Now I will start the practice set number 53. How to solve this one by one, we'll see here. Here the question they ask, factorize the binomial from the following, means whatever they are given the expression, you want to factorize this. How to factorize this? See here, I will show you one example. In that one, first question is there, that is a p square q square. P square q square, it is in the form of a square minus b square. Therefore, their factors will come directly, p minus q, p plus q will become. This is the first one example is there. Now we'll go to our second one example. In the second one example, see here, they ask here, you want to factorize the 4x square minus 25y square. See, this also will be in the form of a square minus b square will get. How will get? See here, 2x bracket square minus 5y bracket square. Then this also in the form of a square minus b square. Then you can directly write in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Then what will come? 2x plus 5y in a one bracket, in another bracket 2x minus 5y will get. Like that way here, third one example is also same is there. Fourth one is also here we have to use a square minus b square form. Okay, but if you see the fifth one is also will be looking in the form of a square minus b square form you can write. How you can write? See here, 9x square minus 1 upon 16y square. This you can write in the form of a square minus b square. How you can write? See here, that a square means 3x bracket square you can write, and 1 upon 16 y square you can write as a 1 upon 4 y bracket square you write it. Then this is a square and this is a b square, and this splitting you can write as a plus b, a minus b, means that will get here 3x plus 1 upon 4y, and in another bracket it will come 3x minus 1 upon 4y. Then this is about the fifth one example is there. And the sixth one is also very easy, that is also in the form of a square minus b square expansion is there. But the seventh one onwards, here the seventh one onwards, in these examples here we have to take the common things outside the bracket. See here I will show you how to solve this one. Here see a square b minus ab is there. Then here in the a square b minus ab I am getting ab as a common. In the both the term ab is a common, that you take outside the bracket. Then inner side of the bracket what is remaining? A minus 1 will be remaining. See within a one step we will getting the answer. Then eighth one also very easy, 4x square y minus 6x square. See 4 and 6 both are coming in 2 table. Therefore I can remove from 4 and 6 2, I will remove common, and from x square and x square I will take x square as a common. And now here inside the bracket what is remaining? 2x square, inside the bracket 2y minus 3 is remaining. This is the factorization of binomial 4x square y minus 6x square is there. We will go to our ninth one examples here. 1 upon 2 y square minus 8z square. 1 upon 2 y square minus 8z square. See this example is little bit twisted one. See in this one I am not getting any number as a common, but if you see it carefully, then we will get a common. Here if I remove 1 upon 2 as a common, then inside the bracket what is remaining? Y square minus 16z square. Why it is 16z square? Because from the 8z square here see 1 upon 2 I taken common. Means if you multiply inside this bracket 1 upon 2 into y square, 1 upon 2 into 16z square, this 16 is divisible by 2, again we will get 8z square. Therefore when you are taking 1 upon 2 as a common, then inside the bracket what will come? Y square minus 16z square. Now 1 upon 2 you keep as it is. Then this I am looking in the form of a square minus b square I will write. What I will get? That is a y bracket square minus 16z square I can write in the form of 4z bracket square. Now afterwards here 1 upon 2 you can write outside the bracket only. Then inner side of the bracket, that y square minus 4z square expansion will come y plus 4z and y minus 4z. See this is I am using here a square minus b square expansion formula. Okay. Now we'll come to our 10th one example, that is a 2x square minus 8y square is there. 2x square minus 8y square. Here I am seeing the 2 is a common. Then inside the bracket what is remaining? X square minus 4y square is remaining. Then 2 you can write as it is. Then this I can write x square minus 4z square, 4y square I can write in the form of a square minus y square. See a square minus b square form I am getting. That is I can write in the form of x bracket square minus 2y bracket square. And afterward I will write 2 inside the bracket. What will come? That is x minus 2y and x plus 2y. See here in some example I am using a square minus b square form equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is about the factorization of binomial. Okay, and these all example you do it practice, and you see the videos properly, and you solve it again and again. Then only you can get the idea about that how to solve it. Okay, and this is about the practice set number 53, and this is about the complete lesson of our 14.